Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the premiere episode of Legal Tittle-Tattle. I'm your host, Yahima Morejon, an attorney with a passion for sharing fascinating stories from my legal practice. In this exciting new YouTube series, I'll be spilling the beans and the tea on what the juiciest cases I have handled through my career. Language evolved as a way of gossiping. According to this theory, Homo sapiens is primarily a social animal. Social cooperation is our key for survival and reproduction. It is not enough for individual men and women to know the whereabouts of lions and bison. It is much important for them to know who in their bands hates whom, who's sleeping with whom, who's honest, and who is a cheat. Today we're going to delve into a captivating divorce story. Let's begin. So this case is a couple married for over 15 years with not one, not two, but 5 kids. Now you might think this is a story about child custody battles or heated arguments over divisions of property, and you'll be mistaken. No, my friends, this case took an unexpected twist that nobody saw coming. Picture this. A wedding gift from their father to the husband who has already passed away to this couple. 4 stunning paintings of Rooster, a set worth over $20,000. The art aficionados among you will understand the value of keeping such a collection together, as its worth will diminish if it gets divided. Now, with any divorce, there were disagreements and disputes, but what really ruffled the feathers was the fate of these prized Rooster paintings. The husband won them, the wife won them, and they would not be willing to compromise. 2 mediations later, we found ourselves still squabbling over these paintings. It was a delicate situation as the sentimental value and financial wars were both at stake. Negotiations were intense, feathers were ruffled, but we remained determined to find a solution that would satisfy both parties. Ultimately, it was up to the court to decide the fate of these feather works of art. After careful consideration, the judge proposed as the Rooster paintings would be divided. Each party would receive 2 paintings, ensuring that both the husband and wife could have a piece of this unique collection. And so the husband and wife left the courtroom with 2 Rooster paintings each. But what happened next truly surprised us all. Instead of hanging on their respective pieces, they decided to sell the paintings as a set once more. And guess what? The market value of the complete set had soared. They managed to sell the 4 paintings together for a whopping $20,000. The husband and wife then split the proceeds, each receiving their fair share of sale. In the end, this unusual story teaches that sometimes, even in the midst of a heated divorce proceedings, a creative solutions can be found. The moral of the tale: never underestimate the power of compromise and the potential for unexpected turns in the world of law. That's all we have for today of this episode of Legal Tattletales. Join me next time as we delve into another gripping legal case that will leave you astounded. Until then, remember, the truth is often stranger than the fiction.